children, good morning. This is Mrs. Geeta Shivkumar, faculty of Vaigravya Vidyashram, CBSE, Arkola. Today we are going to see history from grade 6. Before that, let's warm up. Can you see the word, children? What word is that?
Good.
Good. Very good. It has one more word inside. Can you find that word?
Go.
No.
God.
No. See properly.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, see inside this. E-V-I.
Yell.
Can you see that word?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, let's check it out the word. See?
E-V-I-L.
Yeah, good. Evil. Evil is the correct answer. Good. Super.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's start the lesson, children. The topic about what, where, how and when. In the past, what can we find out? We can find out what kind of food they eat, what kind of dresses they own, what kind of occupation they did, what kind of houses they live. So what kind of food they ate? They ate fruits, roots, flesh of animals. What kind of dresses they own? Leaves of trees, barks of trees and skin of animals. What kind of occupation they did? They did farming, hunting, etc. What kind of houses they lived? They lived in mud houses, roof houses, etc. So, these people, where they used to live in the past, they lived in the bank of the river Narmada. These people are skill gatherers. Skill gatherers means what? Those who are gathering the food, that persons are called skill gatherers. And then they did the hunting also. Some of the area of the Sulaiman and Keetar hills, men and women, they cultivated wheat and barley in about 8,000 years ago. They used to rearing the animals like sheep, goat and cattle. Agriculture were developed in the northeast and Vindhya in the central part of our subcontinent. Rice was the first grown in north of the Vindhyas. Trace the rivers Indus and its tributaries. The cities were developed in the rivers Indus and river Ganga. About 4,700 years ago, the cities were developed in the river Indus. About 2,500 years ago, the cities were developed in the banks of the river Ganga. The Ganga and its tributaries are called San. The area of these rivers of the south of the Ganga is called as Mahada. Now it's in Bihar. So throughout the year, the people move from one place to another because of some reasons. Men and women, they travel from one place to another because of their livelihood. Some people move from one place to another because of the natural disasters like drought and floods. Religious people, they moved from village to village, cities to cities to spread of their knowledge. Some people travel for spread of adventure and wanting them discover the new places. Next topic is why do people travel nowadays? People travel nowadays because they share their ideas and enrich our cultural traditions. Names of the land. We are using two names for our land, that is India and Bharat. India came from the word Indus, that means Sindhu in Sanskrit. Iranians and Greek people were very familiar with this word Indus. They called this word as Hindus or Indus. Bharata. Who is Bharata? A group of people who lived in the northwest. That people are called Bharata. They are mentioned in the Rig Veda. Finding out about the past. There are several ways to find about the past. So first one is manuscript. What is manuscript? Handwritten records are called manuscripts. The manu means hand. It's a Latin word. Okay. So these manuscripts are used to write in palm leaves and barks of beech trees. These beech trees are grown in Himalayas. And then where the manuscripts are preserved? The manuscripts are preserved in temples and monasteries. Next one, inscriptions. The inscriptions are used to writing in hard surface like stones and metals. The kings got their order inscribed so that people can see, read and obey them. The next topic is archaeologist. Who is archaeologist? Those are studying about the remaining of building made up of stones and bricks, sculptures and paintings. That persons are called archaeologists. They can also explore or excavate the tools, ornaments, weapons, coins, pans and parts. Okay, next one is One Pasta Many. Did you notice the title of our book? Our Past? We have the title Our Past to draw the attention to the fact that the past was different for different groups of people. What do dates means? The years are counted from the dates generally assigned by the birth of Jesus Christ. Do you know who is Jesus Christ?
Founder of Christianity.
Yeah, he is the founder of Christianity. Next one is AD. What does AD means? AD means Anno Domini, that is the year of the Lord. What does CE means? CE means Common Era. We can use CE instead of AD. What does BC means? BC means before Christ. And then what does BCE means? BCE means before Common Era. We can use BCE instead of BE. Thank you children. I hope you understand this lesson. We'll see the next lesson in next video. Thank you.